Action.
Hi, I'm a helper T-cell. What's that macrophage? There's a pathogen present? I'll just bind to your human leukocyte antigen, HLA complex, along with the foreign antigen here, and see what's going on. Giving my receptors match the foreign antigen, that means I can bind and respond to the call to the action. Now that I've bound to him, and I know that this here is the antigen, I can make the response, the immune response, antigen specific.
Hello, Zach. I'm a B cell. Now I shall divide and clone myself in order to fight this antigen.
No, wait, yeah.
I wanted to wave at the camera, then wave at my clone.
Oh, okay.
Hello, clone. I've cloned myself into two types: antibody-secreting plasma cells that secrete antibodies immediately and help to fight off the first infection, and memory cells which remain circulating in the bloodstream waiting for a secondary infection.
Hi, I'm an antibody. What are you doing? Can you just...
I'm adding some effect.
Okay, do the effect or whatever. Hi, I'm an antibody, or a protein molecule produced by Ziggy in response to a specific type of pathogen.
Hi, I'm also now an antibody, produced in response to a different type of pathogen.
As you can see, we're different. That's because each type of antibody is different, because each type has been produced in response to a different pathogen.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm a pathogen. More specifically, I am a virus, which is why I'm wearing this handy protein coat. These foreign proteins embedded in my outer surface are called antigens. They trigger an immune response in the production of different types of antibody.
Even though Nathan and I have our differences, we're both antibodies. That of course means that we're Y-shaped.
That's right, at the end of each of the forks of our Y is the binding site. This is where the antibody attaches itself to the antigen. I'm attracted to certain proteins on this pathogen. Now the antibodies use various mechanisms to eliminate the pathogen.
Hey viewer, I'm sure at one point you wondered about the difference between active and passive immunity.
Wonder no longer. Active immunity always leads to the production of memory cells and thus provides for a long-term immunity to a pathogen. Whenever the immune system is presented with an antigen and there is a full immune response, memory cells are produced. Now that the pathogen is dead and the memory cells are patrolling, immunity is persistent. These memory cells can respond to a recognized pathogen very quickly in a large number.
Passive immunity is a bit different and occurs when one organism acquires antibodies that were produced in another organism. Only the organism which produces the antibodies has the memory cells and thus gains full long-term immunity. Passive immunity only gives short-term benefit. An example of this is the transfer of antibodies from mother to fetus through the placenta. Memory cells aren't transferred, so only short-term protection is gained. When the baby comes out, it is weak and primed for infection.
Oh, we're gonna